Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is DJI Mini3 mini camera drone. Mini3 weighs under 249 grams. Perfect for taking with you on your adventures, from hikes, road trips, and beach days. With up to 38 minutes of battery life, you can take Mini3 out at every stop along the way or fly long flights without worrying about the battery. Film in 4K HDR video for crystal clear aerial shots. Capture details in highlights and shadows, both day and night. With true vertical shooting, you can easily capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. And after capturing, it's in the perfect orientation to post to Instagram or TikTok. Epic shots are at your fingertips. Use quick shots to choose dynamic flight patterns or capture a stunning view with panorama. Don't let a little wind get in your way. Mini3 is resistant to 38 km/h winds, level 5, so you can stay steady and capture your shot. Includes the new DJI Air3, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp viewing even in direct sunlight. With 2-axis motorized gimbal and 4K ISO electronic image stabilization camera, HS720G guarantees stunning and vivid footage in a bird's-eye view without missing any details. It's your ticket to the sky. The powerful brushless motors and a max battery life of 26 minutes ensure HS720G stable flight and having enough time to compose the perfect pictures. The maximum distance for remote control reaches 999 meters. Our second best DJI drone is DJI Mini4 Pro folding mini drone. Travel light and skip registration for a user-friendly, easy-to-carry experience on all your journeys. Enjoy the fun of flying without the tedious application process and waiting time. Perfectly showcases sunrise, sunset, and night scenes with impressive clarity. Share videos instantly without the need for post-cutting. Enjoy high-quality footage straight out of the camera. With precise detection capabilities in all directions, you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will better detect obstacles. Worry less about collisions when flying, even first-time users. Experience extended battery life for uninterrupted, longer flights. 3. Say goodbye to battery anxiety, let nothing hold you back as you explore vast landscapes. An essential for long flights and great high-quality visuals. Experience lag-free image transmission, immersing yourself in real-time aerial views like never before. Take control of your drone's tracking trajectory with the new Active Track 360 degrees. Achieve complex and seamless operation effects. Even if you're a beginner, getting started and capturing smooth videos is effortless. Third in our list is DJI Air3 Fly Remote Controller Drone. DJI Air3's dual cameras offer creative focal length options ideal for travel photography. Show off stunning environments and tell captivating stories through your lens. Enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time, a 48% increase compared to DJI Air 2S. Capture satisfying photos without worrying about battery life. Fly confidently with Air 3's omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It ensures comprehensive protection even in challenging environments like forests. Air 3 captures impressive 48MP images, allowing for remarkable crops. Even quickly snapped travel photos can be cropped to reveal surprising details. Record-stunning 4K/60fps HDR videos with the dual cameras. Experience breathtaking visuals with vibrant colors and lifelike details. The 6-antenna array significantly improves video transmission. Enjoy a stable 1080p/60fps live feed up to 20 kilometers, ensuring smooth flights with clear and reliable transmission. Multiple functions such as headless mode, automatic takeoff, altitude hold, optical flow positioning are devised for the novice. Being a drone pilot has never been this easy. The GPS module and optical flow positioning make HS720G safer, more reliable and have extraordinary anti-interference capabilities, offering you the ability to fly farther and more stable. You can have a blast outdoors with your kids or friends without disturbance and restrictions of distance. Number 4 in our best DJI drone list is DJI Mini2 SE Fly Lightweight Drone. The drone is lightweight and compact, weighing less than 249 grams. It's perfect for taking on hikes, road trips, and other adventures, allowing you to capture stunning aerial moments from above wherever you go. Operating temperature 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. With simplified operations, the drone is easy to learn and master quickly, making it ideal for beginners. It has a return to home function for added safety, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Enjoy longer flights with DJI Mini2 SE, which offers a 31-minute max flight time. Combo offers 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, 3 in total, for up to 93 minutes of total flight time. Explore and create more. Get a 10 km max transmission range to reliably fly farther and capture more. Compared to Wi-Fi, DJI OcuSync is significantly stronger, offering enhanced transmission and stronger anti-interference compatibilities. DJI Mini2 SE flies with reliable stability even in winds up to 38 km per hour, letting you fly and capture content more reliably in more places. Super lightweight, weighs only 6 grams, that almost no impact to your drone's weight and flight time. Fits all drones' compact size and lightweight, makes V-Fly strobe easily installed on any drones like DJI Mavic Mini2, Air2s, etc. Our last pick is DJI Mavic 3 Pro triple camera drone. Mavic 3 Pro has a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 24mm format equivalent, f/2.8 f/11, 20MP. The Hasselblad 4K drone camera supports shooting raw photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops. Mavic 3 Pro ensures you fly safely and create with peace of mind. 8 vision sensors work with a vision computing engine to sense obstacles. Mavic 3 Pro gives you more confidence to fly further and spend less time worrying about the battery level of the long-range drone with camera for adults. Mavic 3 Pro features a transmission distance of up to 15 km with stable signals, presenting a more coherent camera view, a professional 4K camera long-range drone for adults. DJI RC has a lightweight, comfortable feel and 700 nit brightness. It's great for DJI long-range 4K camera drones. An affordable remote controller with a screen. The new Vision Assist provides visual assistance and improved aerial safety in 4 directions. The 70mm medium telecamera now supports 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color modes, expanding post-processing space. The maximum carrying capacity of the Mavic 3 AirDrop device is 500 grams/1.10 pounds, which is suitable for long-distance delivery. You can use it to give gifts remotely to surprise family and friends on Easter, Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day and more. It can even be used for outdoor rescues or outdoor activities.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!